What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here. How you guys doing? Alright guys, in today's epic drawing tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue 3. Alright, this is a fan transformation, a fan art, alright? So guys, these are the guidelines. These are the guidelines. I'm using an A4 paper to draw this wonderful, amazing sketch. Alright, let's get down to business, guys. So if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, alright, so you'll be notified anytime I upload another epic drawing tutorial for you. I upload epic drawing tutorials every day, so please subscribe, like the video, comment, comment what character you think next I should draw next, comment what you think about the video. Alright, I do reply to comments. Alright, so let me leave you guys the video. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the family. Alright, bye.